Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to show your last seen status to contacts only in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the WhatsApp Web interface by visiting the official website and logging into your account. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots located at the top left corner of the screen and click on them. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the various options available. Step 4. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 5. Scroll through the privacy options until you find Last Seen and Online. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, check the circle next to My Contacts. This will ensure that only your contacts can see when you were last seen. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can control who can see your last seen status in WhatsApp Web and maintain your privacy. Remember, it's important to have control over your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more WhatsApp tricks and privacy settings.